How to buy voucher with Capitec app. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to download and install the Capitec app on your device. Once you have installed it, tap open it. Capitec Bank is a South African retail bank that offers affordable transactions, the right type of credit and insurance for you. Once you have opened the application, you first want to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can tap on Open an Account option. If you do, tap on Sign In. Then you can enter all of your credentials and log into Capitec Bank account. Once you have been logged into your account, this will be the home screen. Here you have different options. Tap on the one that says Transact at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, you're going to find the option of Buy Vouchers. Tap on that. Then you want to choose a voucher, select from account, then choose or enter the voucher amount. Now you want to enter the recipient's cell phone number. Now enter the recipient's name. This is optional. Now you want to tap on the option of Buy Now. Once you have confirmed it and after the verification, you have successfully bought the voucher from Capitec app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.